Good day, everyone. I am Erica Rose B. Modesti from grade 12 Mendel, and today I'll be discussing about how to convert temperatures and temperature differences in the following scales: Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. So, have you ever wondered what temperature actually is? Today, let's find out and discuss about it. First, let's talk about what temperature is. Temperature is the measure of the average kinetic energy of a particles. In simpler terms, it tells us how hot or cold something is. To describe temperature, we use three main scales: Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. Before we jump into formulas, let's talk about temperature differences first. In Fahrenheit, 32 degree Fahrenheit is our freezing point and 212 degree Fahrenheit is the boiling point. While in Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point and 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point. In Kelvin, 273 Kelvin is the freezing point and 373 Kelvin is the boiling point. This is important because converting a single temperature like 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit is slightly different from converting a temperature change. Now, let's move on to temperature conversion. Each temperature scale has its own unit of measurement, but they can all be converted into one another using simple formulas. So now, what are we waiting for? Let's go through them one by one. The first one is converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula of this one is F is equal to 9 over 5 times degree Celsius plus 32. Let's try an example. If we have 40 degrees Celsius, we substitute it into the formula. F is equal to 9 over 5 times 40 plus 32. First, let's multiply 9 over 5 to 40. 9 over 5 times 40 is equal to 72. After that, let's add 72 to 32. 72 plus 32 is equal to 104. So, 40 degrees Celsius is equal to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we have Fahrenheit to Celsius. The formula of this one is C is equals to 5 over 9 times F minus 32. For example, if we have 204.8 Fahrenheit, we plug it in. C is equals to 5 over 9 times 204.8 minus 32. First, we're gonna subtract 204.8 to 32. 204.8 minus 32 is equals to 172.8. To get our final answer, we need to multiply 5 over 9 to 172.8. 5 over 9 times 172.8 is equals to 96. So, 204.8 Fahrenheit is equal to 96 degrees Celsius. Now, let's convert Celsius to Kelvin. The formula of this one is K equals to Celsius plus 273.15. For instance, if the temperature is 75 degrees Celsius, we just need to add 273.15. So, we have K equals 75 plus 273.15. We have our final answer, which is 348.15 Kelvin. And to convert Kelvin back to Celsius, we use C equals K minus 273.15. Example of this one is if we have 60K. So C equals 60 minus 273.15 is equals to negative 213.15 degrees Celsius. That means 60K is a very cold temperature, way below freezing. Now, let's solve a few practice problems together. Number 1, we have convert 20 Celsius to Fahrenheit. Number 2, convert 35 Celsius to Kelvin. Number 3, convert 100 Fahrenheit to Celsius. Number 4, convert 0 Celsius to Fahrenheit and Kelvin. And lastly, convert 212 Fahrenheit to Celsius. These are great exercises to test if we understand the formulas and how to use them correctly. And that ends my report. To summarize, temperature helps us understand how hot or cold something is, and with the right formulas, we can easily convert between Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. And that's all. Thank you for listening.